fillers keep fading. But what if your results can last for years and that too without refilling? Yes, that is possible with your own body fat. The process is called fat grafting. In this, we very gently procure the fat from one of your body parts, most commonly your tummy or your thighs, and at times your love handles or your flanks. We purify them, we convert them into microfat or nanofat, and this purified fat is then used to restore the volume of the lost area or wherever you need rejuvenation. So it is one of the most natural and the long-lasting way to restore the volume of that part or to rejuvenate the face or any other part of your body. So why choose fat over fillers? Number one, it is permanent. Unlike the fillers that need to be refilled every 9 to 12 months, fat does not need refilling. Number two, it's natural. There's nothing synthetic in that. It is your own body fat. That is why it is very safe. And hence it gives a very natural look, not just overfilled or just done look, but a very natural, a very subtle, very soft enhancement, a very soft lift and a very beautiful glow. The reason for this glow is the stem cells that is present in your fat. These stem cells, when we inject the nano fat into your face, into the desired body part, wherever which needs rejuvenation, that stem cells, they show their effect, they multiply and they give an overall rejuvenated look, and hence that glow that always is needed. Other thing, it is a longer lasting thing. It is almost permanent. So what all areas it can be used? Fat can be used to rejuvenate all those areas wherever the filler is safely used. Say in your face, the temples, the forehead, the under eye hollows, the nasolabial folds, your chin, your jawline, your nose, and even the intimate areas also that need filling. The fat can be very safely injected and the areas can be rejuvenated very well. So who all are the ideal candidates? If you love fillers because you want that volume, if you want that rejuvenation that the fillers do give, but you are tired up of refilling them again and again, if you are tired up of spending those bundles of money on those fillers and still you have to refill them after every 9 months, if you are suffering from the fat loss or the volume loss, the volume depletion, either after the major weight loss or after the severe chronic illness, if you're suffering from those under eye hollows, which you think are black circles or dark circles, but actually they are not. Actually, they are under eye hollows. If you are suffering from those overall dark circles around the eyes, which are actually dark circles, and those need permanent rejuvenation, and that can only be done with nanofat, which is much better than even the under eye boosters or the skin boosters, because that is your own body fat, your own stem cells, and the most natural and nothing synthetic. So if you want that non-refilling permanent look and those freshness, those subtle change, that lift and that glow you have always been desired for, your own fat might be the best investment for you. So if you're willing to make the investment, do contact us. We'll assess you and we'll let you know whether you are the ideal candidate or not. Thank you.